Trump is facing another challenge at home. He says he will do an alternative event to the traditional State of the Union address in Congress. And this comes after a rejection from House Speaker Nancy Pelosi. She sent Trump a letter saying her chamber will not sign off on the annual speech during the partial government shutdown. And Trump calls her decision a disgrace.
But I will say that the American people want to hear the truth. They have to hear the truth. We're supposed to be doing it, and now Nancy Pelosi, or Nancy as I call her, she doesn't want to hear the truth, and she doesn't want to hear, more importantly, the American people hear the truth. They know what's happening at the border.
Traditionally, the speech is given by the president in the House chamber to a joint session of the Senate and the House. Pelosi suggested security would be problematic during the shutdown. Her speech with the president is a sideshow to the struggle between the White House and the Democrats over the funding of a border wall. The partial shutdown is now in its 33rd day, a new record in U.S. history. American media says Trump's budget team is drawing up contingency plans for the scenario that the shutdown goes on until the end of February.